Hi students, in this video we will discuss program to display the multiplication table of a given number. That is, if user enters 5, we need to display the multiplication table of fifth number. If user enters 7, we need to display the multiplication table of seventh number. Okay, so earlier we have written this program inside main function. Now we will discuss the same program using functions. Here I am using a function name as print table, which is used to print the table. So void print table. This is function. This part we call it as function declaration or function header or function prototype. Now here function definition you can see here, void print table. Void print table. Now inside this function declare one variable int I comma n, then accept the table number from the user. Printf enter the table number, that is which table you want to display, that number we are accepting from the user. Scanf %d comma %n, user will enter that number. Now we need to display the multiplication table of that number, that is for I equals to 1, I less than or equals to 10, I plus plus. Now observe here, printf %d /n comma I. Now if you display this, can you tell me what will be the output for this program? It will display 1 to 10, but we want to display the multiplication table we want. So n into I am using. Now tell me what will happen. It will display the multiples, that is I am using print table. Now run your program. You just observe here, it will display the first 10 multiples of that number. If you enter 5, so here we need to call the function, from the main program call the function print table. So save your program, compile and run the program. So enter the table number. If you enter 5, what will be the output? Just it is displaying multiples, but I want the complete table, like 5 into 1 equal to 5, 5 into 2 equal to 10. So what we need to do here, we have displayed n into I. So in order to display on screen, we need to display n, that is the table number, as well as I, then as well as n into I we need to display. Example, so if the table number is 5, so n value is 5. So every time 5 will be displayed for 10 times. I value first time it will be 1, second time it will be 2, third time it will be 3. So n into I means 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 3, 15. In this way it will display the complete table onto the screen. So here we need to display the three values, %d star, %d equal to %d, that is n comma I comma n into I. So here when you display at first %d, n value will be displayed. At first %d, n value will be displayed. Now at second %d, I value will be displayed. Then here n into I will be displayed here. N into I will be displayed here. Now when we call the function, control jumps here, accepts the number, displays the table. After completion of execution, again it will go back to this particular location. This is displaying the multiplication table of a given number using functions, that is with no arguments and no return type. Now let me run once again this program. Enter table number 7, displays the 7th table onto the screen. Now run once again, enter 12, it displays 12th table onto the screen. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.